Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video today we are going to discuss about toolbar widget in Android. What is a toolbar widget? Toolbar widget is a title bar in our activity. See, I have created one activity, okay? In my application I have only one activity. This is that activity. This activity is having one title bar already. Here this title bar is there, right? This is activity's own title bar. We can say that as a action bar. So every activity is by default having one action bar title that we are not going to use hereafter. So instead we are going to use our toolbar widgets. So toolbar widget is our topic today. So why we are not going to use our existing action bar? So in our existing action bar we have some restrictions. When it comes to positioning of action bar, we cannot modify its position. Always it is attached to top of the activity. See, it is attached to top of the activity. Okay. If you try to move that to the bottom of the screen, that is not at all possible. And another restriction is like when it comes to a customization, adding a child to this action bar, we cannot customize it. That is second restriction. So to avoid these restrictions, Android have come up with another concept called toolbar. Okay. So toolbar also act like a action bar, but what we are going to do, if we add a toolbar into our existing activity, two title bar will be coming. So to avoid, what we are going to do, we are going to remove our existing action bar first, and then we are going to add our toolbar into our activity so that it looks like a title bar. First do one thing, whenever we are creating an activity, by default action bar is coming as a title bar. Now we need to remove this action bar. Okay, to do that, go to activity theme file, under resource, under values we have a themes file, right? Under themes.xml, see, this is our application theme. Okay, theme.toolbar test. To confirm, go to our manifest file. See, this is our application. So entire application is using theme.toolbar test, where it is under themes.xml file. So this is theme.toolbar test. So our application is referring this theme. Okay, now what is the parent for the theme? Theme.material component dot day night dot action bar. See, dark action bar is there, right? That is why every activity is displaying one action bar. Now if you modify to no action bar, right, activity will not render that action bar. Modify the same thing in themes.xml night file. Okay, so what is that night file? When you modify your device theme, right, to your dark theme, when you set a dark theme in your Android device, it will take themes from themes.xml night file. Okay, so what we are doing, we are setting a theme not to have a action bar. Now I'm running the app and see how it looks like. See, our application is now up and running without that action bar. We are not going to use action bar because action bar position cannot customized. Okay, we cannot position, we cannot customize the position of the action bar. So action bar we are not going to use. And when it comes to customization of its child items, this is very difficult. So that is why we have removed our action bar. Now come to toolbar. Okay, we are going to place a toolbar here inside our activity file. Toolbar is a widget. Okay, so like other views, we can add a toolbar into our layout. Under x.amcapper.widget.toolbar. This is the toolbar which we are going to use. With is going to be a match parent, height is going to be a wrap content. And what is the minimum height for that action bar toolbar? So it is going to have height of that action bar. Okay, height of that action bar slash action bar size. Okay, so by default action bar is having some size, so that size we are going to give to toolbar. Now we are setting a theme for this. Okay, so what theme we are going to set? Action bar theme. So what is that action bar? Theme dot appcamper dot, not this one, at style slash theme overlay. Okay, theme overlay dot appcamper dot action bar. Okay, so now it will take action bar theme. Our toolbar will take action bar theme. Okay, it looks like action bar now. And pop-up theme. Pop-up theme, like whenever in our Android application, right, at the top right side we have some three dot. When we tap on the three dot, some pop-up is coming. So that pop-up theme this is. So this pop-up going to be like same at style dot same. Okay, at style slash theme overlay dot app compact dot light. Okay, now position this toolbar inside our constraint layout. So top to be top of the parent, start means left. Okay, start to the start of parent, and end to the end of parent. Now let's add some background color. See, this is our toolbar. Now this is not having any background color. Now I am going to add background color to this toolbar. So what's that background color? It's going to be a primary color. Slash okay, for now use this purple color. Okay, or else you can give some other colors, like go to our color file and purple 500. Okay, copy this color and add it here, purple 500. Okay, now this looks like a title bar now. So here we have added our toolbar. Okay, by default one title bar is there, that is action bar. That action bar we removed, and instead we have added our toolbar. Now go to the corresponding activity file. What we need to do, we need to set this toolbar as a action bar hereafter. Set supported action bar is our toolbar. Hereafter our toolbar acts like a action bar. Okay, so toolbar we need to give. So what's the toolbar? Get the reference from the layout file. So toolbar equal to find view by id of what we are finding, toolbar of AndroidX package. Find the toolbar from AndroidX package. Okay, this type. Okay, so what's that id? Dot id dot my toolbar. Okay, this is our toolbar. Set this id to our toolbar at id slash toolbar. Okay, now apply some elevation property. Elevation property renders some shadow under our toolbar. Make this 20 dp. Okay, now our toolbar is ready. This is added as a separate widget. Now we need to get that reference, and if you pass that to this method, it will be considered as a action bar hereafter. Okay, why we are using toolbar as an action bar? Because toolbar customizable and we can position it anywhere on our screen. Now let's run the app and see how it looks like. See, our toolbar is now displaying. So what we have to do, we have to apply some customization on our toolbar so that our colors will be, our text color should be in white color. Okay, here what we have done, we have added a toolbar as an action bar. Now what we are going to do, remove this themes file, and okay, now let's see how to modify, how to give custom title to that toolbar. Okay, go to toolbar, add title. See, title text color properties, the title text color going to be a white color, Android color white. Okay, now If you want, you can apply title in this place itself. Title going to be a toolbar. See, now I'm running the app and see how it looks like. My app is up and running now. See, our toolbar is now displaying with custom color, custom title, and it is positioned to the top of the screen. If you want that to be positioned to the bottom of the screen, we can do it here. So same like other action bar, here we can give some other widget also. For example, if you are having a tab kind of view page, right, so that customization we can give. If you want to enable navigation, right, that we can give. And if you want to show pop-up menu here, when we tap on some dots here, right, 3 dot, if we tap on that button, it will overflow some menus. Okay, settings like menus, that menus and all we can add. So this is how toolbar is working in Android, friends. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you for watching my video. Let's meet in the next session.